Hey guys, it's G and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my hair and I'm going to be doing my hair care routine. Now you guys always ask me how I do my hair, what makes it look so shiny and healthy, and everything you need to know is going to be in this video. Also I'm going to be showing you a really amazing root hack that actually conceals the lockdown roots. Stay tuned until the end to find out the root hack. But apart from that, carry on watching if you want to know how to get incredibly healthy, shiny looking hair. This is my hair before I wash it. Since we're in lockdown, I actually wash my hair twice a week maximum, just because we're in the house and I try and just make the most of my hair days. So if it just gets greasy, I whack dry shampoo in it, and today is a hair wash day. It's always either on a Sunday or Monday, and as I'm filming this, it's a Monday. So this is my hair, and as you can see, I'm currently waiting for the hairdressers to open, and I'm so excited that next month I'll be able to get my hair done. But for now, I'm just going to have to be embracing the roots. So as you can see, my hair is ready for a hair wash. It is hella greasy and it needs a good wash. So let's jump in the shower and I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair to look squeaky clean and just look amazing again. Alright, so I'm actually out of the shower now. Mum has washed my hair. Just because I find it really hard to wash my hair. Now it's shorter as well. It's just so much easier when Mum does it. Mum does give it a good wash. And yeah, I'm not looking like Mother Teresa. So let's go, and I'm actually going to get changed so I look a bit more decent, and then we are going to leave my hair to air dry for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to be moving on to the actual routine of the drying, the straightening, and the products I use. This is my hair now, kind of like towel dried. It's not completely dry, but it's damp, which we now will go into dry, which when I say we, because I do it sometimes, but it will take me for my whole hair process 2 hours to do. So Mum just is amazing at doing my hair. She can do the back of it. I struggle with my wrist, so my mum is going to use Dyson Supersonic. Yeah, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's the matte black one, and he's super sexy, and it actually reduces like heat damage on your hair and things like that, so it's much better for your hair to use like the Dyson and stuff like that. So yeah, we use this. And then for heat protection, I do use a range of products. I use Lee Stafford, I use so many different types of products, Mark Hill, things like that, but at the minute I've been really loving this, which is the Icon Welder, which I don't even know what that means, but the Icon Welder Evo heat protection spray. This is really good. It doesn't crisp up your hair. It's really lightweight because I find that my hair I don't know, it's a little bit weird with sprays. It can crisp up a little bit too much. So this one I really love, and yeah, I love Evo as a brand. So one spritz this throughout my hair, and then we're going to blow dry it. Then we move on to styling it, which is my iconic straight bob hair, which I love. Yes, you can actually spray the Evo Heat Protectant Spray on dry hair as well. I look like Lord Farquhar, I really do. Oh dear! So for brushes, I've got a selection right here, which is this round barrel one. This is really good if you want lift at the top of your roots.
Especially at the moment, because your tapes,
my tapes
are showing quite bad.
Like they're down here, some of them are down here, and yeah.
So that brush gives the lift
at the roots
to disguise. So lockdown hair, it's good, isn't it? Because obviously you can lift the hair.
Yeah, because
and it'll just
the
disguise
thickness at the minute is halfway through my hair, which when I have my tapes refitted, which is every few weeks, obviously we're in lockdown, I normally have the thickness from the root, but at the minute, because they're halfway down my head, the thickness starts there. So yeah, it does kind of hide the whole overgrown overhanging tapes. Then we have the iconic, I feel like everybody has a comb in their life, and it's really good to use a comb when you're straightening your hair, because if you do it without, it kind of takes longer to straighten your hair. If you're doing that with the sections, it helps to straighten your hair in a better, in a quicker way, basically. And this is Bobliss, but this is actually from, I swear I got this from Home Bargains or something. It was dead cheap. Hey. Primark even sell things like this, so yeah, amazing.
Do this to feel, underneath.
Yeah, the tape, the back get wet. So are you going on your Valentine's, love?
That's not what you for photo shoot.
And that is a finished hair look. Come back from subscribe. Yeah, got no. This is my hair completely dried with a hairdryer. As you can see, my hair doesn't dry curly, it does dry naturally straight. But the only thing is, because I've not been able to have my hair cut, my hair does flick at the bottom because it's that awkward length. So when I'm able to go to the hairdressers, I will be getting it cut back to the length it was. But for now, this is what we do. Like, the next steps will be straightening my hair. I love this really straight, sleek look. So we go over with the straighteners. These are the straighteners that I'm absolutely loving. I actually bought my first pair of straighteners last month, which is so embarrassing. But I've always had like mini travel straighteners, and I treated myself to the GHD Platinum Plus. These are the matte black ones. You can get gold, but I love these. They also adapt to like the thickness of your hair, and it reduces heat damage. So all of these tools that I do use are really good for, protecting your hair. Once my mum straightens my hair, it does stay pretty straight for the whole week until I wash it again, and then midweek I might just give it a little bit of a straighten at the back or something, because it can curl because of my tapes. And then for my roots, obviously, like I've said, I've got lockdown hair and my roots are looking horrific at the minute.
Show them.
Really bad. Can we see that? So yeah, as you can see, my roots are really bad. Carry on watching for a really cool root hack, because this makes it look like I've had my hair done again. But for now, we're actually going to straighten my hair and show you how I achieve my really sleek, straight hair bob look.
Do the underneath first.
To help with the straightening process, we use these clips which you can actually get from Amazon, Superdrug, Primark. They're basically sectioning clips. So we clip up the top half and then we straighten the underneath first, and then we obviously do the rest of the hair. These are really good. It's the best way to straighten your hair is when you've sectioned it. Look at the roots! Look! Ah! Hello, Jess. I really like you, Georgia. I think you're an utter. Oh, relax. Look at you.
Jar, is that your drink?
Yeah. And dance with me? Yeah. Hold your boyfriend, hold your jar, hold your drink.
Oh, and dance
And
with
come
me.
dance with me.
Cheeky cat.
He's still your man.
The audacity.
He had the audacity.
Absolute audacity.
I love that word. That's one of my favourite words. Damn! I need to start watching that program. Oh, excuse me. No, dude, it's not normal that where I get like vertigo or something. Where it makes
Hello, hello. It's just a place called Vertigo. Comment below if you want me to sing in every video because it's free.
It's free entertainment. I'd sing, yeah, no.
She's a good singer. She just doesn't know. You know, feel free.
Dua Lipa's.
Dua Lipa's
Billie Eilish.
management. I mean, she could be a little mini leaper.
I really
Look
am
at-
at this
yeah.
rate. I really am. If you don't believe in me, and I don't believe in Nabil. Alright, so my mum has completely straightened my hair, and this is how it is as soon as we've straightened it. Now we're actually going to be moving on to the root hack. So if you are like me and you're not naturally dark, we need a little bit of help in the root department. So what I use to hide my roots, the L'Oreal Magic Retouch Instant Root Concealer Spray. Now this is brilliant. You can get this from Amazon, Boots, if you're in America, Walmart, I don't know, places in America. You can get this anywhere. It's a fab spray and it conceals and don't feel the pain of having roots. So mum basically sprays this in the middle. It stays in your hair until you next wash your hair. So it lasts so many days and it's amazing, and it does really blend with my hair. And I've got blue black hair, which is very, very dark. This is a saviour.
Junction. It's in Birmingham. Fabio, no. Spaghetti Junction is one of the busiest junctions in Birmingham. It's called Spaghetti Junction because it looks like spaghetti because there's that many roads that all going in and out.
That's what you call my wires.
Well, it is like Spaghetti Junction, actually.
That is the root spray, completely done. Mum's on both sides, and look how good that is. Like, it covers so well, it blends really well. You just leave it to dry a little bit, do not touch it because the spray is a bit wet, and obviously I've got quite a bit on my hands trying to cover my face. You will get a little bit on your face, but don't worry because it does kind of like blend away with a brush, which I will fix in a minute. But I did want to kind of show you the realistic side and be like, look, it's
does, worth it, isn't it?
Yeah. The last and final kind of touches to my hair, which we always use, are these two products. Now, you can use this on damp hair, but I don't use this all the time, but I do love it. And this is Olaplex. They're both Olaplex products because it goes really well with the shampoo and conditioner. This is Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. This will last you so long. You can get this on, look fantastic. And then this is the bonding oil, which is what we're going to use today. I use this all the time. It actually prevents like frizzy bits and baby hairs and also split ends. So this is what we're going to use, but again, I recommend both of these products because I love them so much. With this oil, you only need a tiny bit. It goes a long way, and you kind of just like blend it in with your fingers, and then you can kind of run your fingers throughout your hair, and it just makes your hair chef's kiss. It smells amazing as well, doesn't it?
That's gorgeous.
It smells like passion fruit, like fruity. Olaplex is amazing if you've got really damaged hair, or if you're bleaching your hair a lot. They always recommend to use Olaplex when you're washing your hair every time. I use it just to keep the condition of my hair really nice and smooth, and you know, to keep it just looking nice. I really hope you enjoyed seeing my hair routine. If you've got any questions about what products I'm using, or any tips and tricks you want to know, then please comment them down below and I will be on my comments to answer your questions. I will also be linking all of these products down below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna love you and leave you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.